in New York. The 597 feet tall Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India, and Mumbai Soho House, and also the Newseum in Washington, the Shed in New York, have been featured by the Time magazine in its second annual list of 2019 World's Greatest Places, a compilation of 100 new and newly noteworthy destinations to experience right now. The Statue of Unity of India, the world's tallest statue, is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an independent 597 feet on an island in Narmada River. The statue towers over the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat, offering visitors the chance to see views of nearby mountain ranges from its chest. According to the website of the Statue of Unity, created by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, and Patel's birthday anniversary on October 31, 2018. The Times list also includes Zakuama National Park in Chad, Red Sea Mountain Trail in Egypt, the Geoseo Geothermal Sea Baths in Iceland, Six Sense Hotel in Bhutan that offers the guest opportunity to take guided journeys through the mountains of Himalayan Kingdom, Leopard Hill in Mara Nabosawa Conservancy, Kenya, and Pokeaki in Isaac Hill Beach Park in Hawaii. In deciding on which place to feature on the list, Time said it solicited nominations across a variety of categories, including museums, parks, restaurants, and hotels, from its editors and correspondents around the world as well as industry experts. It then evaluated each one based on the key factors, including quality, originality, sustainability, innovation, and influence. So, what do you think of world's tallest statue and India's new statue, the Statue of Unity, and US Newseum and the Shed features in 100 lists of Time magazine?